Have you ever wondered why some faceless YouTube channels upload 3 high-quality videos every day, while others take an entire week to make just one? The difference is not only hard work. The real secret is having the right system. Normally, creating an AI story video can take around 5 hours, but in this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the same process in less than 10 minutes. Instead of copying prompts one by one, I discovered a method that allows you to generate and download up to 50 scenes with a single click. Even better, your characters will remain consistent in every scene. This is not just a simple tutorial, it is an automation workflow that will help you produce videos much faster in 2026. I have collected the best prompts and free tools for this process, so stay with me because your production speed is about to improve dramatically. Let's begin with the first step. First, I open the ChatGPT website and use a prompt to generate a children's story. You do not need to worry about the prompts. I have placed all of them in a Google Drive folder so you can easily access them. Once the story is created, I ask ChatGPT to convert it into 20 scene scripts using a clear format. Each scene includes 3 important parts. The first part is the scene number. The second part is the exact narration text, which helps when matching the clips during editing. The third part is a Disney Pixar-style prompt used to generate the images. Next, we need to extract the image prompts from each scene. To do this, I ask ChatGPT to provide only the prompts and not include the words image prompt. Then I generate the results and wait for the process to finish. Now we will set up the automation tool. Search for Auto Whisk on Google and open the Chrome Web Store page. Then click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Open the Whisk website on labs.google and click Enter Tool. All the links are included in the video description so you can easily find them. Now let's return to the main process. Click the Auto Whisk extension icon and change the language to English. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy 4 of the image prompts we prepared earlier. We copy 4 prompts because the Auto Whisk extension treats each new line as a separate prompt. This allows the tool to process multiple prompts at the same time. Now we return to the Auto Whisk tool. First, click the rocket icon and select version 7.6.0. Then paste the prompts into the input box. The tool automatically separates each line into individual prompts. For the settings, choose the landscape aspect ratio and keep the image count at 1. Then click the Start button and wait for the images to generate. Once the images are ready, they will automatically download to the Whisk Downloads folder inside your computer's Downloads directory. Let's review the results. To keep the characters consistent, first we need a standing image of each character on a white background. So I return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate Disney Pixar-style prompts for the characters in the story. After creating the characters, I go back to the Whisk website and generate their images. Next, I copy all the scene prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the Auto Whisk extension. The extension recognizes 20 prompts automatically. Now I select the aspect ratio and enable the reference image option. This feature allows the AI to maintain character consistency. I upload the 2 characters I created earlier and enter their names. Then I click Start. After the process is finished, we can review the results. Now the character remains the same in every scene, which is exactly what we wanted. The next step is creating the voiceover. First, I copy the story from ChatGPT and go to aistudio.google.com. Then I select the option to convert text into audio using Gemini. I select the single speaker option and select the model called Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview. For this example, I'm using the voice named Enceladus. I paste the text into the text box and add a style instruction asking for a storytelling tone that is suitable for children. Then I click Run and wait for the... Now we move to the step that makes the video feel more cinematic. Instead of using still images, we will add camera movements that create motion and make the scenes look more dynamic. To help with this, I prepared a file called Camera Movement. It includes 38 different cinematic camera movements that can be used in your projects. You can use this file as a quick reference guide. Next, I upload the camera movement file to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a suitable camera movement for each scene. ChatGPT then generates a specific camera prompt for all 20 scenes. Now we're ready to create the videos. First, I open the Grok website. Before starting, I adjust one setting to make the workflow easier. I open the profile settings, go to Behavior, and disable automatic video generation. Then I go to Imagine. I confirm that the aspect ratio is 16:9 and make sure that Generate Video option is selected instead of Image. Then I return to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. Inside Grok, I upload the first image, paste the camera movement prompt, and click Generate. The result looks excellent. I repeat this process for all 20 scenes. Each scene now has smooth cinematic camera movements. Finally, I download all the video clips and return to CapCut. I replace the still images with the animated clips, match them with the narration, and export the final video. And just like that, the AI story video is complete.